Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, it's wonderful to have you here. Thank you so much for joining me. I bought this little air pump off Temu, so I'm going to just be opening it and checking how it works. So in the box we've got some very flexible air tube, a little air stone, and a really small little air pump. And this particular one operates off a USB connection, and it's got some little rubber foot pads. I've connected the air stone, and the pipe is connected to the little air pump, and now we're going to just test this. So I've just put it into my fish tank, and now we switch that on. By the looks of things, it takes a little bit of time for it to get up there, but the nice thing is it's very nice and quiet. It's not extremely powerful, but it works quite nicely. Quite a lot of bubbles going in for the fish. Can't actually see it from this side, but going to the top, it works quite well. Thank you so much for watching.